I don't have time. If you have ever said that to yourself in regards to healthy meal prep, you, my friend, are in the right place. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia Jones, and today you're going to learn about how to make the most efficient use of your time with strategy number 2, which is called layering. So if you're kind of excited to learn about layering, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and please share this video with another busy woman that you know who also wants to eat healthy for herself and her family. Okay, so let's dive right in. This is strategy 2 called layering. Layering means when you are already preparing food. Okay, let's just be real simple. You are literally layering on the meal prep while you're at it. Okay, so just imagine this is exactly what happened the other night. I was preparing pizza for dinner. See, here's a cute little slice of pizza here. This is my homemade hidden veggie pizza. It was super good. So I make a big batch. I use a lot of leftovers because it's super good and nutritious and may as well, right? Everybody likes it. It's one thing you want to do is have recipes that everybody likes, okay? If you don't already have that, grab the resources below this video. You're gonna love it. There's a snack list, a recipe book, and all sorts of fun hidden veggie things like this. Anyways, I had the pizza out. I was preparing it on the plates for dinner. And while I was at it, I layered on what you see here. This is 3 days worth of dinners for my kiddos. I've got 2 boys, if you haven't already met them, Gabriel and Michael, and they are 7 and 9. And they probably, like you and your family, are always hungry right around the same time of day. Bummer how that works, right? No, and this is a way that I have done meal prepping for them. Now this is a dinner example. In part 1 of this series, I showed you a lunch example. So I wanted you to see both, okay? So what happens is I had out the pizza, and what I want you to see is I just grabbed other things from the fridge. This is super simple. This is a big banana. I literally put share me, look. They're gonna share when they eat this for dinner. They've got some veggies, right? See the cucumber on there? You can see the carrots there. They've got a hidden veggie cheese muffin that I pulled out of the freezer, and they've also got this banana bread here. And so all I did as I was preparing the pizza on the plates the other night is to also grab out a couple other things from the fridge. This is how come you want to keep these things around in your fridge. Healthy, nutritious, quick things. Bananas, cucumbers, carrots, real easy. You can throw it together. Even better yet, make some of these muffins ahead of time. And if you want those recipes, they're in the book down below. That way you can just grab them out and assemble. You can see these are assembled plates. And that way it's already super nutritious. I pop it in the microwave for like 30 seconds, the pizza, or you can pop it in the toaster oven if you don't like the microwave. If you really want to put it in the oven, go ahead, but it'll take longer. It's totally up to you. That way they are gonna pull these plates out for dinner and have food ready to go. And in terms of me saving time, because that's the whole purpose of this series on meal prep made efficient, is I was very efficient with my time. I wanted to share that idea with you. So again, while you're preparing your dinner or your lunch, and we all have to eat, right? Even if you're getting takeout. But that's the whole idea, is how to help you to reduce the amount of takeout that you guys have, because it saves money, it saves calories, it helps with the waistline. To eat at home. It helps with your nutrients. It helps your body be more strong, have better immunity, your gut health to be better. That's a good thing. Things like that for kids. It helps them to focus when they have good nutrition in their bodies. They can focus while they're at school. Those very easy everyday benefits come from when we're able to provide stuff like this. Now, I only showed you 3 days worth here. I don't want you to get overwhelmed. I want you to just see an example of what you can do. And each plate is pretty similar. So they're just gonna kind of pull it out of the fridge, grab that for dinner, and I saved time. I was efficient with my time by layering, and that's what I want you to take out of this video today. You can layer. So the next time you go to prepare food, just think about, well, gosh, what if I made an extra plate? Or what if I, put an extra bag in the fridge for tomorrow while you're at it, so we're not doing anything extra. Okay, so I hope you got value from this idea. Please drop #value down below if you did. Remember, this is strategy 2 on layering. The next 2 videos are gonna be example videos. I'm literally gonna show you pictures of what my boys and I did as we made these things, because I think it's fun for you to see that. So parts 3 and 4 of this series will be pictures and examples. And then I will see you again in part 5 and 6. All right, have a great day, and I hope this was helpful for you. See you next video.